even test this because I don't have big enough tanks, but this is the 500 watt. Here's a size comparison to my hand, and this button, it looks pretty easy to use. I've had a few heaters like this. They're a bit smaller though, so I can use them, but there's no cracks. It doesn't come with any cracks, and it looks good to use, but in a bigger tank.
Heater plugged in. There's the cable going all the way down to the heater. Not your curve.
Now go, leave it going. Now unplug the heater. Then you can prove it'll show 0.16 or 0.016.
I can't. Put the whole damn thing up.
And drops to 0.
Temperature gauge messed up. It's 78.8 in my tank right now, and the thirst gauge says 81.3. 78, 81.